Firstly, I would like to introduce the course. This course is designed to develop awareness about the current trends and issues in the field of education. Because being a part of the system of education, teachers need to well aware about the issues and trends in education like quality of education, universal literacy, gender disparity and information technology. So this course is significant to develop insight among teachers. My expectation from my students that they will participate, discuss and explore innovative ideas in this field. Assessment: students will be assessed through assignments, quizzes, mid and summative exam. Let's start from the unit number 1, that is introduction of contemporary issues and trends in education. Learning outcomes for the students, they will aware about the modern trends and issues in education, differentiate between problems and issues related to education. There are three main terms need to be explained in the title of the course. The one is contemporary. Contemporary means existing at the same time period, what we experience in education today. The second is trend, a general direction in which something is developing or changing, a way of behaving, proceeding, that is developing and becoming more common. The third is issue. An issue reflects a controversy, a matter that is in dispute between two or more parties, and no one is consensus on the matter. The forces of globalization, technology, and changing demand in the learning environment is challenging for teachers. So they have to face different trends and issues in the field of education. These current trends and issues in education covers historical, political, philosophical, social and practical topics of 21st century. Now let's see the trend. What is trend? A trend is a general direction of change, a way of behaving, proceeding. A general development or change in situation in the way that people are behaving. The changing scenario of world economy and advancement in information technology has resulting to introduce many new trends in education like career oriented approach, changing patterns in student assessment, the use of information technology in education, environmental education, globalization and blended learning. Now let's see the first modern trends in education is the career oriented approach. Nowadays, education is all about innovative accessibility and suitability. Higher education is more career oriented today. These revolutionary trends have benefited those people who want to go practical knowledge for their personal and professional growth. These institutions are more focused to prepare their students for the job demanded by the market and develop curriculum according to the demand and practice of the selected field, and students are guided accordingly. One of the modern trend in education is the changing pattern in student assessment. New trends introduce new ways to assess the performance of the student and evaluating their knowledge and skill attainment. One of the example of that is the performance based assessment. The grading system become more transparent because of the use of technology. Computer based assessment is also encouraged in most part of the world. Students are also appreciated new patterns of assessment. Another modern trend in education is the use of information technology. Information technology is playing a major role in education. Teachers and students keep themselves up to date and improve their teaching and learning skills. The use of technology has redefined the practices and brought revolutionary changes in the field of education. Now we have a look on environmental education as a modern trend in education. Environmental education is education in, about, and for the environment. It aims to create an environmentally literate citizens and motivated to take actions. Environmental education engaging all the members of the society. It represents a strategy by which people can make proactive, informed decisions that honor ecological, economic, social integrity, and the foundations of sustainability. Globalization is the process of international integration arising from the interchange of worldwide products, ideas, and other aspects of culture. Global education interconnects methods of teaching from worldwide system to encourage the international development of environmental sustainability. These educational initiatives prioritize global access to school from primary to the university level, instigating learning experiences that prepare students for multinational roles. By applying a wide range of synchronous and asynchronous activities that aid teacher and students in breaking boundaries of space and time. It enables students to enhance their abilities to utilize knowledge. Population education is one of the new trends in education. The World Population Plan of Action urged the need of population education in the following way. Educational institutions in all countries should be encouraged to expand their curricula to include a study of population dynamics and policies including, where appropriate, family life, responsible parenthood, and relation to population dynamics, to socio-economic development, and to international relations. After having a glance into the trends of education, now we look into the current educational issues. As we already discussed, issue reflect as a controversy, a matter, a dispute between two or more persons. An issue can be lengthened or made serious. An issue can be complicated, but a problem cannot be complicated. Here we will see some educational issues like quality education, universal literacy, madrasa education, and gender disparity. We will discuss more issues related to the education in coming lectures. Quality of education is a basic concern all over the world. All the international conventions declare that provision of free and quality education is the fundamental right. They want all children to get basic, elementary, secondary education. In this regard, Universal Declaration of Human Rights, this convention was approved the world nations at the United Nations General Assembly in 1948. According to this convention, everyone has the right to education and education shall be free at least in the elementary and fundamental basis. The second is Convention on the Right of the Education. Convention on the Right of the Child in 1989 recognized education as a fundamental right. Number third, Dakar World Education Forum. In April 2000, 164 countries combined together to ensure education for all. The focus at achieving the goal in developing and underdeveloping countries to achieve till 2015. Pakistan has not met most of the targets set as under that convention. Convention Millennium Development Goals. 8 Millennium Development Goals were set by the United Nations for the signatory countries. Eradicate extreme poverty, achieve universal primary education, promote gender equality, reduce child mortality, improve mental health, combat HIV/AIDS, malaria, and other diseases, ensure environmental stability, develop a global partnership for development. Millennium Development Goals and Pakistan. Despite increase in budget, enrollment in schools remain low. Quality of learning is poor and there are not enough buildings or teachers. Due to the problems in education system of Pakistan, the country is lagging behind in achieving its MDGs of education.